time. It's an ever-present force in our lives, silently guiding us from one moment to the next. We often don't notice its passage until we pause and reflect. It's something we all have, regardless of who we are or where we come from. Time is the great equalizer, offering each of us the same 24 hours in a day. It's something we can't buy more of, no matter how wealthy or powerful we become. Money can buy many things, but it cannot purchase even a single extra second. Yet, it's often something we take for granted. We rush through our days, distracted by the noise and chaos of modern life, rarely stopping to appreciate the moments that make up our existence. Time is a precious gift. Each sunrise brings a new opportunity, each moment a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime. The joy of a child's laughter, the warmth of a loved one's embrace, these are the treasures that time bestows upon us. Like a river, it flows onward, carrying us with it. We cannot stop its flow, but we can choose how we navigate its currents. We can drift aimlessly, or we can steer our course with intention and purpose. Understanding its value is the first step to living a full and meaningful life. When we recognize the fleeting nature of time, we begin to cherish each moment, finding beauty in the simple and the ordinary. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, and years. These units help us organize our lives, but they can also become a source of stress and anxiety if we let them dominate our thoughts. But time is more than just a measurement. It's an experience. It's the laughter shared with friends, the quiet moments of reflection, the milestones celebrated with loved ones. It's the tapestry of our lives, woven from countless threads of experience. It's the journey, not just the destination. The paths we take, the choices we make, and the experiences we gather along the way. These are what give our lives meaning and depth. Treasure each moment, for it is a gift you can never reclaim. Once a moment has passed, it is gone forever, leaving only memories in its wake. So, live fully, love deeply, and embrace the gift of time with gratitude and wonder. Life is a tapestry of different seasons. There are times of joy and times of sorrow, times of growth and times of rest. Just like spring follows winter, each season in our lives eventually makes way for a new one. Recognizing the season you're in is crucial. It helps you understand the challenges and opportunities that come with it. Embrace each season, for it carries its own unique beauty and lessons. Bad things happen to all of us. It's an inevitable part of life. When we face hardship, it can feel like time has stopped. The pain is raw and the future seems uncertain. But time, my dear, time is a healer. With each passing day, the sharp edges of pain soften. Time allows us to process our emotions, learn from our experiences, and find a way forward. It may not be easy, but with time, even the deepest wounds can heal. Perhaps the hardest thing we ever face is rebuilding our lives after losing everything we hold dear. The ground seems to crumble beneath our feet, and the way forward feels impossible. But even in the darkest of times, remember this: you are stronger than you think. Rebuilding takes time. It takes courage. It takes taking one small step at a time. But with each step, you will find yourself moving further away from the wreckage of the past and closer to a brighter future. When emotions overwhelm you, there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help: a pen and paper. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of thoughts and feelings. Sometimes these emotions can become too much to handle, leaving us feeling lost and confused. But there's a timeless remedy that can offer solace and clarity. Find a quiet corner, take a deep breath, and let your feelings flow onto the page. This act of finding a peaceful spot is crucial. It allows you to disconnect from the chaos around you and connect with your inner self. The simple act of breathing deeply can help center your mind, preparing you for the journey of self-expression. Write as much or as little as you need. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Whether you jot down a few words or fill pages with your thoughts, the key is to let your emotions guide you. Writing can be a cathartic experience, allowing you to release pent-up feelings and gain a new perspective. Don't judge your words, just release them. It's important to remember that this exercise is for you and you alone. There's no need to worry about grammar, spelling, or coherence. The goal is to free your mind from the burden of unspoken emotions. Let the words flow naturally, without hesitation or self-criticism. There's something about the color blue that soothes the soul. Blue is often associated with calmness and tranquility. When you write with a blue pen, it can have a calming effect on your mind, helping you to relax and focus. The color blue can evoke feelings of peace and serenity, making it an ideal choice for this exercise. As you write with a blue pen, envision your worries and fears dissolving into the ink. Imagine that with each stroke of the pen, your anxieties are being transferred onto the paper. This visualization can be incredibly powerful, helping you to let go of negative emotions and find a sense of relief. The act of writing can become a form of meditation, allowing you to process your thoughts and feelings in a healthy way. This simple act can bring a sense of calm and clarity, helping you process your emotions and move forward. By taking the time to write, you are giving yourself the opportunity to reflect and gain insight into your inner world. This practice can lead to greater self-awareness and emotional resilience. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed, remember the power of blue ink on paper. It might just be the key to unlocking a sense of peace and understanding within yourself. Hope's steady flame. Hope is a powerful force. It's the tiny ember that glows even in the darkest of nights, reminding us that dawn will come again. Even when you feel lost and alone, hold on to hope. Hope is not merely a passive wish, it's an active choice. Choose to believe that better days are ahead. Choose to see the possibility of joy, even amidst sorrow. Nurture that flame of hope within you and let it guide you through life's challenges. A time for everything. There is a time for everything under the sun. A time to laugh, a time to weep, a time to plant, and a time to harvest. Embrace the rhythm of life, with all its highs and lows. Don't rush through the difficult seasons, wishing them away. Allow yourself to feel the pain, learn the lessons, and emerge stronger on the other side. And when joy fills your days, savor every moment. Looking forward. As we journey through life, let us remember the importance of time. Time is a precious resource, one that we often take for granted. Each second, each minute, and each hour holds the potential for growth, for change, and for new beginnings. It is in these moments that we find the essence of our existence. Let us cherish each moment, embrace each season, and face our challenges with courage and hope. Every season of life brings its own unique beauty and lessons. Spring, with its promise of renewal and growth. Summer, with its warmth and vibrancy. Autumn, with its reflection and harvest. And winter, with its quiet and introspection. Each season teaches us something valuable about ourselves and the world around us. The path ahead may not always be easy, but with each step we grow, we learn, and we become who we are meant to be. Challenges and obstacles are a part of life, but they are also opportunities for growth and self-discovery. With each hurdle we overcome, we gain strength, wisdom, and resilience. It is through these experiences that we shape our character and define our purpose. Remember, you are not alone. In times of difficulty, it is important to reach out and connect with others. We are social beings, and our relationships provide us with support, comfort, and a sense of belonging. Whether it is family, friends, or even strangers, there is always someone who cares and is willing to lend a helping hand. We are all in this together, navigating the twists and turns of life. Life is a shared journey, and we are all interconnected. Our actions and choices impact not only ourselves but also those around us. By working together and supporting one another, we can overcome any challenge and achieve our goals. Lean on those you love, find solace in faith, and never give up on yourself. Love and faith are powerful sources of strength and inspiration. They provide us with the courage to face our fears, the hope to keep moving forward, and the belief that we are capable of achieving great things. No matter how difficult the journey may be, always remember to believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any obstacle. Adjusting to a new start will require you to think more positively, and that requires practice. Use the time to rest. Think about the type of person you would like to be and spend time with God. God has a specific timeline for everything. Trusting in God's perfect timing is crucial and fundamental. Believing that everything happens according to a divine plan brings peace and confidence. Be patient with yourself as you learn to adjust and adapt to this new reality. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope these reflections have brought you comfort and inspiration. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next conversation. Until then, take care and God bless.